this video, I am going to show you how to view subscribers on a Telegram channel. 1. Open the Telegram application on your device and make sure you are logged into the account that has ownership or administrative rights to the channel. 2. Go to the channel you manage, or you can find it in your chat list or by using the search function. Tap on the channel's name located at the top of the screen. Look for the subscribers options under the members section. Tap on it to open the subscribers list. In the subscribers list, you can not only see the names but also additional information such as the time and date when each subscriber joined the channel. This feature is particularly useful for channel owners and admins to monitor the growth of their channel and engage with their audience more effectively. Remember, subscriber privacy is protected, and only those with the necessary permissions can access this detailed information. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.